Hello children, how are you today? I hope you are doing very well. So far this week we have visited two places. First, we visited a school. Next, we went to a bookstore. School and bookstore. Today, our journey will take us to a new place. Are you ready? F A C T O R Y. Yes, it is correct. Factory. Factory. Can you repeat the word with me? Factory. In Portuguese, you know, yes, the equivalent is fábrica. Fábrica in Portuguese and factory in English. Now, let's make some sentences. These sentences helps us to remember our words. And the first sentence is: there is a fish factory in Palmeira. There is a fish factory in Palmeira. Please, can you repeat now the sentence? Very well, very well. And the second sentence, a very short one, is: my father works in a factory. My father works in a factory. It's your turn to repeat. Excellent, excellent. Do not forget to continue to repeat these sentences and the word during the day. And we have our last sentence, the third one. Here it goes. There are lots of machines in the factory. There are lots of machines in the factory. Can you repeat? Okay? Good, good. I'm so impressed. You are doing so well. Good. So, our word for the day is factory. Factory. Keep on repeating the word. Ask your mom and your dad and your brother and your sister to help you with the sentence and with the word, to remember it. And it's time for me to say goodbye. Yes, and I hope I will see you very, very soon. Till then, keep well and keep safe. Bye bye.